What's going on, everybody? I am that dude 239 IG. So, quick update on New Zealand dollar, the trade that we put in yesterday. Those sneaky market makers. So, if you recall, we had our stop set at the invalidation level. That one wick right there took out all the pending orders or the stop loss orders that were at that level in one candle. That's when the buyers started getting out of their trades, or the sellers started getting out of their trades because they thought they lost it. They thought the market was going to go back on that bullish trend, but they faked everybody out and brought it back down. So that's where we're at right now. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update. I ended up getting stopped out of the trade, but me knowing that it was all a part of the game, I got back in the trade pretty much at the same, a little bit better, better trade position. But I got back in the trade at let's see, 0.62353. So we're back in the trade, even though it stopped me out. But I know it was all a part of the bigger setup. So as long as you got back in the trade, you should be good. I mean, if you got stopped out, you might have lost some money, but that's part of the game that they play. It definitely is it's just part of the game, man. So again, that was the update on New Zealand dollar. We got a few that that we're watching right now. USD, was that Swiss franc? That's showing a sharp pattern. That was about 30 minutes ago. But what I wanted to show you was this US 30. Even though it was 7 days ago, man, this harmonic scanner is on point. So if you know anything about US 30, this thing moves quick and moves a lot. And if you catch it the right way, you can make a lot of money with US 30. That and gold. But gold is real tricky too. So unless you know what you're doing, you can make a lot of money with gold and US 30, one of the indices. But man, that thing was pretty. If you caught that US 30 at the right time, oh my man, you made some money on that one. Whoever caught that. But all right, man, I am that dude 239. See y'all on the next one.